All right, let's talk marketing. Today, we are going to cut through all the noise, all the clutter to give you a real actionable game plan. We're talking about moving from just, guessing to having a solid strategy that's based on what's actually working right now. So, let's get into it.
So, be honest. Does it ever feel like you're just throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks? I mean, with all the new platforms, all the conflicting advice, it is so easy to feel completely lost. The whole point of this explainer is to swap out that uncertainty for a concrete winning plan. And here's exactly how we're going to do it. First up, we're going to absolutely nail the fundamentals, getting customers in the door. Then, we'll show you how to pour some jet fuel on those efforts with AI. After that, we're going to hand you a toolkit you can literally use today. And finally, we'll tie it all together so you can, stop guessing and start winning.
Okay, part one. Let's start right at the beginning with the single biggest challenge for any business, getting new customers. Seriously, this is the foundation that everything else is built on. You gotta get this right.
You've probably heard this a million times, right? Especially for SaaS companies. Oh, paid ads don't work anymore. Well, according to expert Cody Schneider, that is just flat out wrong. The problem isn't the ads, it's how people are using them. When you do it right, paid advertising is still an unbelievably powerful engine for growth.
So check this out. It's two totally different mindsets. On one hand, you've got Google Ads. That's all about demand capture. You're targeting people who are already looking for what you sell, using super specific keywords. But then you look at Facebook. That's demand generation. You're literally creating the interest from scratch with amazing creative that makes people stop scrolling. They're two different platforms. Yeah, but they require two completely different and super powerful strategies.
All right, let's talk email. So you've used ads to get their attention. Awesome. Now what? If your only move is to blast them with a 10% off coupon, you are leaving so much money on the table. Chase Diamond, and this guy's driven over $200 million in email revenue, he argues we have to get way more strategic than just slashing our prices.
So instead of that boring old discount, think about these. How about a gift with purchase? Or tiered discounts to get people to spend a little more? A mystery discount. These aren't just little gimmicks, They're smart psychological tools that actually boost your revenue without teaching your customers to just wait around for the next sale.
We've gone from the wide net of ads down to nurturing an email list. Now, let's get even more personal. It's so easy to get obsessed with complicated funnels and automation. But as Jason Fox's story shows us, sometimes the simplest, most basic tool can be your biggest engine for growth. And for him, it was the humble, direct message.
Yeah, look at that number. $1 million. That's what Jason Fox pulled in, using a simple, repeatable process for sending DMs combined with really good content. This didn't come from some massive ad budget. Nope, it came from direct, real, human connection that he figured out how to scale.
Okay, foundation is set. We've got our acquisition strategy down. Now let's talk about the accelerator. It is time to pour some fuel on that fire with a little something called artificial intelligence.
This quote from Alessandro Lavis just says it all, doesn't it? It perfectly captures the massive shift that AI is bringing. And he's not just talking theory here. He's describing a reality where AI influencers on TikTok and Instagram become these automated, passive income machines. It's wild.
And when I say machine, I mean it. At its peak, this AI influencer system was generating $250,000 a month. It just goes to show you the insane scale that's possible when you combine a smart strategy with the right AI tools.
But AI isn't just for making TikTok videos. Let's look at a professional network like LinkedIn. Jake Ward, who has over 180,000 followers, spent 3 years perfecting his system. He has absolutely cracked the code on using AI to create high-engagement content on LinkedIn. And his system is all about balance. See, it starts with AI for brainstorming ideas. Then he uses it for drafting and refining. And this part is absolutely crucial. It always ends with a final human polish. This isn't about replacing your creativity. It's about making it faster and better.
Okay, this next one is it's mind-blowing. Rana Kudush built a bot that completely automates video content creation. Just think about that for a second. In 20 minutes, a system using tools like N8 and Veo 3 can write a script, create the video, and then push it out to more than 10 social platforms automatically. For any creator out there, that is a massive, massive force multiplier.
And for the last piece of our AI accelerator, let's take all the guesswork out of making ads. Ayad created what he calls a Comet prompt for Perplexity AI. And what it does is it basically acts like a spy. It goes out, finds your competitors' best performing ads, and then breaks down exactly why they work. You get to start with a concept that's already proven to be a winner.
So we've covered strategy, we've covered the AI accelerator. Now for the really fun part. We've put together a toolkit of incredibly high-value resources that you can access for free right now to put all these ideas into action.
First up, we've got the propaganda playbook. I mean, just look at those numbers. This isn't some fluffy guide. It's the exact system used to build an audience of almost 7 million people and generate over $15 million. This thing normally sells for $1,000, and you can get it for free.
Next, this is a total game changer for anyone using AI. OpenAI has released these prompt packs. We're talking over 300 prompts ready to go, tailored for specific jobs. Marketing, sales, you name it. This is all about making your work with AI dramatically more efficient and way more effective, like immediately.
And for our last tool, we're taking a little trip back in time. This is a collection of 119 of the best ads from a legendary copywriter. These are the ads that literally made people millionaires. It's more than just a swipe file. It's a masterclass in the art of persuasion.
So, when you put it all together, what are we looking at? The playbook to get millions of followers, hundreds of expert-level AI prompts, and over 100 of the greatest ads ever written. This toolkit by itself is a huge shortcut to growth.
Okay, let's wrap this up. We've covered a ton of ground, but it all comes back to this one simple idea.
You're no longer just guessing. You have a three-part framework. You have proven strategies for getting customers, you have powerful AI workflows to accelerate everything you do, and you have a toolkit of free resources to start today. You actually have a game plan.
So really, the only question left is this one. You have the plan, the path is clear. What's your first move going to be?